I got a call from a student who had been looking at our website. She had said, I'm a piano teacher. I have 100 students. I'm wanting to learn to tune pianos because in my area, everybody's looking for a piano tuner. So she got an online course and she joined a PTG meeting. And at the end of the day, you know what they told her? They said, you can't do this. The math is too hard for you. You're just not smart enough to understand the math. They said, you're not strong enough. Your shoulders aren't strong enough. This is a man's job. That is ridiculous. If you want to learn to tune pianos, man, girl, boy, child, adult, do it. In this course, I show you everything my mentor showed me, and I break right through all the crap. Many of these guys will also say, oh, it'll take you 10 years to learn. They only say that because they don't want you to compete with them. I know it because I know them. They don't want you to learn because they don't want competition. It's a great trade, but unfortunately, so many people want to create so many things that are hard. They don't want to really let you in. I'm going to let you in. I'm going to bring you in. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. This is the way you can learn to tune pianos very good professionally. I'm sitting in one of the world-class studios right now in Nashville, Tennessee. I tune for them every 2 weeks. I'm an artist, I'm a piano technician, and I'm an instructor. I'm putting that all together right here. If you want to get past all of the hard math and all of the tough shoulder strain, I will show you how to do it in this course. I'm going to show you how to use an electronic tuning device, the best tuning device in the world, created by a Harvard mathematician that will help you tune a piano as good as anybody. And you can do it really, really fast. One of the guys I mentored was in a couple weeks, he was actually tuning pianos. Now he was really dedicated and he was really excited, but within a couple weeks, he could learn to tune unisons. He learned the techniques I showed him on the AccuTuner, and then he could start tuning pianos. It doesn't have to take years and years and years to get to that first piano tuning. I'm telling you, if you have a desire to really master learning piano trade, you can start here. This will get you so far down the road. Now there's a lot more to learn, and it's a lifelong of learning. You can do it. You don't have to feel inadequate. I'm here for you. Let's do this together.